Yerp. So, what do we have here? Air Force Ones, Jordan Ones. What's the difference? What makes them so special? Why are they still so popular? Let's break it down. So, we might as well start off with the older pair. And the older pair is the Air Force Ones. These shoes were introduced in 1982. So they're over 35 years old. They're older than me. And when I say these shoes, I don't mean this exact shoe because there's been so many different models of Air Force Ones. Of course, mid, lows, and highs. 07 model, 2010 models. It's too many to name. The designer that you want to thank for these is Bruce Kilgore. And you want to continue thanking Bruce Kilgore because he brought in Tinker Hatfield to try these shoes on. Tinker fell in love with this, and he decided to go towards footwear design instead of architecture. So, something to know. Now, what makes a product interesting or makes it captivating is the fact that it's attached to something or someone else. And this shoe was, for lack of better words, pushed by the streets. Man, corny. It was pushed by the culture. The culture made this shoe what it is. And what's the culture? Hustlers. People like Jay-Z, Killer Cam. Those type of influencers, musicians, wore them in their music videos. As they're walking around, they made it a staple in the fashion realm. Matter of fact, Nelly made a whole song about these, talking about giving you two per. So these were made by the culture. And what they're doing now to keep this bad boy still alive is collaborating with third-party designers. Virgil, White, Sandra Ross, yada yada yada. Now, let's go towards the Jordan 1s. With the Jordan 1s, they start in 1984. Why? Because that's when Michael Jordan signed with Nike. He actually wanted to sign with Adidas, but a little bit happened here, a little bit happened there, and he ended up signing with Nike. A year later, they came out with the Jordan 1s. You know, this shoe retailed at $65. I mean, technically $64.99, but if you were showing me a nice pair of shoes nowadays and say it's $64.99, I'd be like, yo, it's cheap. Like, I'm sorry, I've gotten conditioned to quality relating to the price of it. But back then, that was a lie. And this shoe is just about my age, 30 years old. So when it comes to who pushed this shoe, who made this shoe, or what made this shoe what it is, I think we all pretty much know. Being who he is and what he did while wearing these shoes on the court, that's what gave this shoe this halo, this seal of approval. And also it kind of helped when the NBA banned one of the colorways, the more black and red one, the red colorway, because they created that, oh, you're bad, that bad boy effect. People love a bad boy, just what it is. And it made this shoe what it is today. So that was a quick little story time on Air Force Ones and Jordan Ones, the similarities, the differences, what made them special. I will be customizing both of these. They will be something very different from each other. This one will be inspired by, I can't tell you. This one will be inspired by, you'll see soon. So yeah, stay ready for these, and until next time, later.